David's Tech Now.
Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to add extensions in Google Chrome. First things first, you go in Chrome and search for Chrome Web Store. Let it load. So now you just have to click on Chrome Web Store. The link is also given in the description. And over here, you can apply any extension or theme. But today, we are doing extensions. So, I'm just gonna do a simple one. Let's say screenshot. Look, there are so many. So, I'll just use this Nimbus. You just have to click add to Chrome, add. Now it's checking. It will show download here, but it's nothing to do with your laptop though. It takes time to download. Look, it's adding to Chrome. And now it is there. If you want it in the bar with the other extensions, you just click on the spin icon. You get it. Now I can just get all the extensions. Let's use Nimbus. So now this is a website they teach how to use, but I already know. So you just click on this Nimbus icon. Just select desktop screenshot, blank screen or record video. I'll just do desktop screenshot. Choose what to share. I'll just share this new tab. Let's actually share entire screen. Now the screenshot has been made. You can edit it all, then I'll just click on done. You can put it in Google Drive, upload on, make account and upload, or just save as image. So I'll just save as image. Now you just open it. And here it is, your screenshot. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on technology and more. Bye bye guys, meet you in my next video. Bye.